Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a quick meditation for relaxation. So either sitting comfortably like I am or lying down on the floor. And let's just close our eyes for a moment. Take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Exhaling anything that's not serving you out of your body. And as you inhale, inhale presence into the present moment. Connect with your breath. Your breath is going to guide you to bring you back into the present moment. Let's take your breath, take your attention to your toes. You're relaxing your toes, you're relaxing your toes. You're relaxing your ankles, you're relaxing your ankles. You're relaxing your calves, you're relaxing your calves. Take your breath, take your attention to your knees. You're relaxing your knees, you're relaxing your knees. Relax your thighs, relax your thighs. Take a big breath into your hips. You're relaxing your hips, you're relaxing your hips. Take a big breath into your belly. Relax your belly, relax your belly. Your lower back's relaxed, your lower back's relaxed. Take your breath, take your attention to your chest. You're relaxing your chest, you're relaxing your chest. Your upper back's relaxed, your upper back's relaxed. Relax your shoulders, relax your shoulders. Take your breath, take your attention to your fingers on your left hand. You're relaxing all the fingers on your left hand. All the fingers on your right hand are relaxed. All the fingers on your right hand are relaxed. Your forearms are relaxed, your forearms are relaxed. Your upper arms are relaxed, your upper arms are relaxed. You're relaxing the back of your neck, you're relaxing the back of your neck. Relax your jaw, your tongue, your lips, your cheek muscles, all relaxed. Your forehead's relaxed, your forehead's relaxed. Your whole body's nice and relaxed. And you're just following your breath moving through your body. And as you exhale, just letting go of anything that's not serving you in this moment. And as you inhale, inhale peace and relaxation into your body, into your mind. And just focus on your breath moving through your body. There's no rush, there's nowhere to go. And as you inhale, think of 3 things that you're grateful for in this very moment. 3 things that have given you pleasure. Inhale each one of these things in with one breath. Exhale gratitude out to the universe. Inhaling. Exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, and just stay there for a moment. And then just slowly, whenever you're ready, bring your attention back into your room, back into your body. And slowly start wiggling your body and coming back. I thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this short meditation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this meditation. Thank you for watching. Bye.